How to monetize your TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can monetize your TikTok account. So open your TikTok application on your mobile device, log into your account, and once you're in the home page, tap on your profile page by tapping on profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. There are a couple of things that you need to achieve before you can monetize your account. First, you will need 1,000 followers, and second, you need to have access to your TikTok live. So once you hit 1,000 followers, you will be able to go live, and after that, be active and stream about 30 minutes to an hour regularly. And once you've done that, open your TikTok and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to TikTok Studio. Here you will find the monetization section with the different options for earning money. Go to monetization and you will see the various monetization programs, that is work with artists, subscription, video gifts, service. And if you're eligible, you will see other different options as well. It will show you the requirements you need to meet to enable gifts on your videos, and you will need at least 10,000 followers, and your videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts, and your account must be active for at least 30 days, and you must meet the age requirements as well. So if you go ahead and tap on the subscription, it has its own requirements. You can go back and check all the monetization methods or click on view all to see all the options for earning money on TikTok. It will also show you how many goals you've achieved for each method so far. For example, for video gifts, I have achieved 3 goals out of 5. So each monetization method has its own requirements, so focus on them one by one. And after achieving all the requirements, activate the method, and that's how you can earn money from TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.